This week in Moodle, you'll continue practicing modal verbs. This time you will focus on two of them, must and have to. Well, sometimes you can use the two of them with no difference at all, but they have differences, very slight differences, but important ones. Must, well, you use it when the speaker thinks something is necessary. It's more like a personal opinion or an internal obligation. And it is also used, or you can find it in written rules or instructions. We're going to see some examples of this. And have to is when another person, not the speaker, but another person thinks it is necessary, that something is necessary, or you can read it as an external obligation. You can also interpret this as facts, not opinions. Let's have a look at some of these examples. The teacher is giving the students an obligation or instructions. So let's read it. The teacher says, you must complete the essay by Friday. Okay? That is, the speaker thinks it is necessary. That's why you use must. Okay? And the student says, we have to complete the essay by Friday. We have to because the teacher has already given the students the obligation or the instructions. This have to is read as external obligation. Okay, so, well, that is basically the difference. One is what the speaker says, the other is, it refers to external opinion or obligation. You use had to in past tense instead of must in this past tense structure. For example, I had to pay my speeding ticket yesterday. So if you want to have the past of must, you have to use had to. Have to is more common than must in questions. So in this question here, when do you have to finish the report? It is more common to use the structure have to than the structure must, though it's also not that uncommon to find when must you finish the report, but it's not that usual. So, well, this week continue practicing the modals must and have to.